G'day guys, Sean from Smarter Electrical Solutions. Just want to run you through the reset procedure on a Savant remote. From time to time we get tech services that whether they lock up or just for whatever reason, they glitch as we call it. And sometimes a factory reset is the way that we get around that. So I'll just show you here up in the top of the remote. So this is your home screen of the various things you have there. In the top there, you'll have settings. So if you just click on there, and then down the bottom here, we're going to go into device settings. And down the bottom device settings, we have factory reset. So when we click this, it's going to ask and make sure that you do want to actually reset this. It's going to reset everything. But that's okay, we're happy with that. So we're going to go reset. And what will happen is the remote will go through a reset procedure. It'll shut down and start up again on its own. And that's okay. So we can just see the Savant symbol coming up there. And then as it goes through the process, it's going to ask us to reconnect to the Wi-Fi. And then it will ask us to choose a controller. So your home, I would imagine, generally will only have one controller. That's how Savant works. So we just need to type in the Wi-Fi details, find your controller, reconnect, and then we should be back online. So here we go. Welcome to your Savant home. Connect to Wi-Fi. So we'll begin. I'm just going to take that off screen for a moment. Okay, so what we've got here, it just said connecting prior to that, then says connected successfully. As you can see here, it's got host selection, so that's what we're looking for. Yours will come up with your home's name on there. In this case, we'll select Smarter Elect Demo, log in as myself. Now, I may be on your remote. You can log in as me, or you can log in with your own details. Either way, it'll ask you which room you want to go in. So this is also the way that you can repurpose this remote. If you decide you wanted to use it into a different room, you can just select which room you want that to go into. So in this case, this one belongs in our living room. So we'll just select that there, and away it goes. And that's it, guys. So now we have all of our services back here that we can go through. The remote has been reset, it's back on the Wi-Fi, and away you go. So we might just select a bit of Sonos here. No guarantee on what pops up next. I think my son has been, oh no, here you go, all-time favourite. And that's it, guys. That's how you reset your remote. Thanks for watching. Sean from Smarter Electrical Solutions. If we can be of any assistance, please sing out. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.